Aye. What? Look. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. Huh? They ain't talking about nothing. Aye. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. Huh? They ain't talking about nothing.
Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video and I'm here with another UNice wig from Amazon. So this is the package that she comes in. You know, it comes in the really cute pink packaging. Okay, so we're gonna start with the free gifts that come inside of this package because UNice really did their biggest one with the packaging and the gifts. So I have not one, not two, but I have 3 melt bands. Okay, we have the standard pink UNice melt band, elastic melt band. Then we have their newest design, which is this really thin strap. This is their really thin melt band, which is perfect because it's going to concentrate on just melting the lace. You know, I have been raving about this edge brush because how cool is this? Not only is it a dual side, which has the comb and the brush, but it also has a removable brush. I love that. And of course, you get a HD wig cap in case you are a ball cap girl. So now on to the star of the show. So I'm gonna have to clip this up again because I need 2 hands for this baby. I was so excited for this right here. So that's the end of my package, but I always show you guys the inside of this box because I just love UNice's packaging. It's so girly and it's just so cute. This is a 7x5 bye-bye knots lace wig. And we got a little color today, y'all. That's why I'm excited because you know I love me some color. Get a nice amount of lace tape in case you want to use lace tape. Baby, this is the star of the show. Can you guys see? Oh, I know you see. You see that color? Been around on this channel for a long time. You know that for the longest, my favorite color to dye everything was the L'Oreal Highlights Magenta. I even have a custom wig that I make on my website, which is dedicated to a magenta color. Like, I love this color. This is a bye-bye knots, which means it's pre-plucked and pre-bleached. So this is what that looks like. That looks real good. Oh my goodness, y'all, I'm so excited. But you do have silicone grip along the back of the wig, that band, that is also to help keep it in place. And you do have that comb in the nape area. So this is what this looks like up against my skin. No powder, no nothing. That's what it gives. This is a nice density too. Like, look, this is everything pulled together and the ends are perfect. They're not stringy. It's not giving struggle. I'm going to jump into the install. I was talking for a long time. How many minutes is that? My gosh. So I'm going to jump into the install and I will come back to chat about this wig at the very end. Oh, don't forget to like the video before we get into this, okay? Thank you. I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, so I'm back and this is the finished look. This is what she looks like installed in a middle part, bust down. All I really had to do was adhere the lace down, although keep in mind it comes with lace tape. So if you don't want to deal with spray or glue, you could go ahead and use the lace tape that comes with the wig. But me, use my ORS wig grip and adhere her down. I use a wax stick and a hot comb to lay the top. And as you can see, it's laying very flat. I love how deep this part is. I think I'm about to add a little color to my brows because my brows are real dark today. But I think I'm gonna add a little color to my eyebrows and then I'm going to style her in a style, something cute. I don't know if I showed you the back. I'm gonna turn around and show you the back and then I'm going to jump into style number 2. So this is going to be it for my UNice hair install. This wig is absolutely gorgeous. Yes, I say that a lot, but this one, my gosh, from the color to the texture to the density, the customization, it looks so good. I'm gonna have all the details down below, including the direct link to this wig. I wish I would have got this sooner because I'm telling you, if you are popping out for Valentine's Day, if I post this video today and you place your order today, you can definitely get this by Friday. And considering that you don't have to do any customization, it's a win-win. You don't have to bleach the knots when it comes. You don't have to pluck it. You don't have to cut any lace. You literally just put her on. So you still have time to get your wig and pop out for V-Day. Let me know what you guys think. I'm loving it. Like, I'm really, really feeling it. So, shout out to UNice. Get to like this video on your way out, and I will see you beauties in the next one. Bye.